Spell top.
Top.
Yeah. Top.
I want you to squeeze your blood throat.
Yeah, what people say down there, boy, Jnel. Watch out now, I know say a long time. Hold on. I know say yo, a long time I no see me. You get to me and say, and what they have for good now, you get to me and say, when I disappear again. So watch out now, right now we are LinStead with episode 1 of the questions. Right now I'm excited. You understand? I know say no one cuss me off still, you know. I know say no one done me, you know. So watch out now, without no further ado, can be excitement. You understand? I LinStead with it on episode 1 hat-trick question. So watch out now, I know so when I reach your side of the video. You get to me and say, and I know you click the like button. I know you click the like, watch out now. How long you know see me? About a year, no? So click the like button, man. If you're not glad to see Jnel, click the like button, man. Jeez, I LinStead today, you know. I remember, you know, left in the commenting if you want me to come a town near you, leave it in the comment and the Jnel will go forward. So watch out now. I don't want to talk too long. Without further ado, we're going to start the show right now. You see me? Yeah, I won't forget now. Let me see what.
Like and subscribe, you see me?
That is it. General, so the first thing, you know, you give me a name.
A bad Korean, you know. Kentucky boss.
Bad Korean?
Yeah, bad Korean.
How you get that name there?
Well, you know, say, I bleaching cause it and show me the artist and the man, them see me and I say, why, you know, if you ever Jamaican, so I succumb the man give me in Korean over Portmore.
One hundred people, him say, my artist, you know, more you drop something for people, them so they can remember, you know.
Right, and now I have a tune I say, Jamaican Donald Trump. What my name? Jamaican Donald Trump. I pay a girl the Korean a thump. Pay a new fashion girls a ride off my pump. Money in a bungalow, we give them in a clump. Money get higher than the Riverton dump. Jamaican Donald Trump. What my name? Jamaican Donald Trump. Say gyal a sign, dollar sign. Say gyal a sign, dollar sign. She just tattoo me name upon the 2 Merca breasts. Signature upon the hairy fishiness. One Korea, the world greatest. I am the DJ where no boy can't test. In the business we bad than the rest. Jamaican Donald Trump.
Catty.
Roomy. Don't know your boy Jaydan, you see me? Jaydan56 on TikTok.
Stone J.
Huh?
Stone J.
Stone J?
Yeah, Stone J.
Raymond Weber.
Raymond?
Weber.
No, you media, social media, man, you know. Give people my name.
Yeah, man, I know say I want Kirkland Nation, man. For the TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. Kirkland Nation. That's a code.
Azar.
Say again? Azar?
Yeah.
Well, my name is Fitzroy Nugent, you know.
Fitzroy?
Nugent.
Nugent?
Yeah.
Darren Taylor.
What can fill up a room but take up no space?
Mr. Bookshelf.
Eh?
Bookshelf.
Bookshelf?
Library.
What can fill a room but take up no space?
Smoke.
Smoke?
Yeah.
What can fill a room but take up no space?
Ask him first.
What full of room, but take up no space.
Smoke.
Smoke.
Space. Ear.
Here?
Yeah.
That can work. People, remember again, leave it in the comments. Let me know what you think, alright?
Here. Right? Here, right? Yeah. Here, right?
Here?
Here.
What can fill up a room but take up no space?
Ting. Aita. can fill a room without air.
What can fill up a room but take up no space?
What can fill up a room but not take up no space? A carpet. A carpet.
Carpet?
Yeah.
How you get that?
Because when I put the carpet in the room, it take up the space. And where nothing in that, it take up the space.
Yeah. So carpet?
Yeah.
Think about it, man. Scratch your head and think about it. Let me scratch it harder, man. And faster.
Yeah.
When does 11 plus 3 equal 2?
11 plus 3 equal to.
When 11 plus 3 equal 2?
Teacher, that kind of tough, you know.
I'm not afraid to start that. I'm not afraid to start that.
When does 11 plus 3 equal to?
Yeah.
That don't make sense to me.
Does 11 plus
Yeah.
3
Equal 2. When does 11 plus 3 equal 2?
When does 11 plus 3 equal 2? Let me see. Take away 9 from it.
Eh?
Take away 9 from it.
When does 11 plus 3, right?
Yeah.
Equal to?
When does 11 plus 3 equal 2?
Damn, that's a good one. When it's 1 and 1.
Huh?
1 and 1.
When it's 1 and 1?
Yeah, 1 and 1, right?
When does 11 plus 3 equal 2?
11 plus 3 equal to 11, 12, 13, 14, plus 2, 14, 15, 16. Seventeen. 11 plus 2, 11 plus 3,
Yeah. When does 11 plus 3 equal 2?
11, 12, 13, 14. 14 plus 2, 14, 15, 16. That's the answer.
That's the answer.
11 plus 3 equal to. You know, so I ain't got a maths class though.
You never go
Maths class and I keep me in Delta do.
Brother, which where you come from? Brother, I don't like your mentality. You have the wrong meds, bad man. And that's why the brownie now stop to get feed that, brother. Move and go.
When does 11 plus 3 equal 2?
11 plus 3. I really I can't.
Think about it. When does 11 plus 3 equals to 2? When does 11 plus 3 equal 2?
11 plus equal plus 3.
When does 11 plus 3 equal 2?
What again?
When does 11 plus 3 equals 2?
I don't know about the party. I don't know the party.
You know that party?
No.
So I'm going to give you the answer.
Yeah.
The answer up on the clock, man.
On the clock?
Yeah, man. You don't get it?
No, I'm still like it.
Alright, so 11 o'clock on the clock, right?
Oh, 11
Plus 3.
12. What? 12?
No. Alright, look, listen again, you know. 11 o'clock on the clock, right? Plus 3. What time you gone?
What time I gone?
Yeah.
Five. 40 something.
God have mercy upon us.
Alright, may I explain to you, you can get it now. Alright, watch out now.
They explain to me.
Alright, may I explain to you. So, right? So, we have a clock. And 11 o'clock on the clock. you put 3 hours on 11 o'clock on the clock, how much you gonna get?
Still not get it.
Still not get it. All right. You give up on that one?
Yeah.
On the clock, man.
That's simple. Yeah.
All right, next on my boss, right? Spell top.
T-O-P.
Top.
Top as in top or top?
Any one of them.
Top, T-O-P.
T-O-P, top.
T.O.P.
Top.
Yeah.
Spell top.
Like on top of something.
Spell top. I would say T-O-P, right?
Yeah.
T-O-P.
Spell top.
Top. T-O-P.
T.O.P.
Top.
Yeah.
P-E-T. P-E-P-O-T.
P-O-T.
Yeah.
Spell top.
Top.
Yeah. Top. May I give you the spelling? T-O-P.
T-O-P.
Yeah. Top.
No P-O-T?
Eh?
No P-O-T?
What may I do? Say the word top 5 times fast.
Top.
T-O-P, T-O-P.
No, man, the word.
Top.
5 times fast.
5 times fast.
Yeah.
Top.
Top.
Yeah, say the word top 3 times fast.
T-O-P.
No man, the word top.
Stop.
Say it 3 times fast.
Stop.
No, say it fast.
Stop.
3 times fast.
Stop.
What do you do at a green light?
Stop. No, drive.
Stop. No, drive. Easy. Can't green light say go.
Go.
Eh?
Go.
What do you do at a green light? Stop. You sure?
No. Oh, you got
What do you do at a green light?
top. No, go.
Go. What do you do at a green light?
Stop. Oh, green light? Oh, shucks. go. Okay, it's tricky.
Yeah. Alright. So T-O-P at top, right? Alright, so the next thing I tell you to do now. Say the word top 3 times fast.
Top.
3 times.
Top.
No, 3.
You say it 3 times.
3 times fast, yeah.
Top.
Yeah. 4 times fast.
Top.
What do you do at a green light?
Stop. What stop?
Stop. At a green light.
Go.
What do you do at a green light?
Stop.
Go.
Yeah, peeps, and thanks for watching the next episode of the questions. You get to me and say, you don't know episode 1, and what they are LinStead, you know what I mean? So, watch out without no further ado, I'm going to cut. When I done interview because I catch some more people. You get to me and say, but I do the intro before I forget because night I got job. You understand? So, I catch some more people. But General, what you doing? Everything good? Eh. We don't have no new question, you know, say I cut, and thing.
Big up on yourself, man. Once more again, my LinStead town, Zine. Yeah, man, and big up my mother, Judith Graham, Father Paul Graham, Romario Graham, Roger Graham, Bri. Hold on, put up, big up on yourself. Yeah, I'm out.
Yeah. So watch out the peeps. Remember to like the video. You get to me and say, as you can see, LinStead is a vibe. You understand? And your boy Jnel is back. So watch out now. Thank you guys for watching. You don't know your boy Jnel again. Like the video. And I'm out.